globally it's world leading. I mean, it's one of the unique program, we believe, globally, in the sense that, given the scale, the size, the number of organisations which are involved, and very much the independent nature of the program that we run compared to what we see in other parts of the world. And that's why growers trust it, because it is truly independent, it's quality controlled, and they get the results soon after the harvest has been completed for them to be able to make those key decisions around choosing a new variety to put into their farming system rotation.
GRDC's NVT program is the largest coordinated variety performance network in the world. Every year we run 650 trials at 300 locations for the 10 different crop species included in the program, which includes every single commercial variety available to growers and twice as many more pre-commercial varieties that may become available to growers in future. We've been doing that for 20 years, and so that's resulted in a data set that's incredibly valuable with millions of plot points that can be leveraged by the Australian grains industry for growers to select the best possible product for their environment. Prior to NVT, each state had its own individual variety trialling network, and that resulted in fast adoption within the state, but not on a national level. We wanted to address the fact that the best varieties needed to be adopted as quick as possible to benefit the industry, and so those programs were combined into the NVT so that we could get much faster adoption across state borders. Since inception in 2005, the NVT programs continue to improve and evolve, whether that's through such things as the way that we extend our results, improvements to the website, introduction of the harvest reports and subscription services, or improvements in the way that we engage and understand the needs of growers through the introduction of the NVT Advisory Committee. Or whether that's through such things as how we can leverage further from the program through introductions of things like the resource sharing program or the research seed multiplication program. The program is always looking to evolve and improve, and we've continued to do that over the last 20 years.
Oh, it's an incredible history, and certainly we're incredibly proud of the overall program. The number one stakeholder, of course, is growers, and this is a grower-oriented program, but the other stakeholders who are critical to ensuring that this work gets done are our trial service providers who actually do the work from season to season and across the country. And then we have our staff internally who organise and manage and to ensure that the program is delivered effectively. But we also get a lot of advice around the program from agronomists, research organisations, breeding companies, in terms of how that program is actually run. GRDC acknowledges and thanks all of those people who have been involved in the program over the last couple of decades. They put in a tremendous effort to ensure that it's independent and it's world class.
Confidence in the NVT program from growers has resulted in the adoption rate of new varieties being shortened by 2 to 3 years. It's also increased the amount of area each year planted to new varieties considerably. Growers quickly embrace the NVT, and today we're seeing an adoption rate of 74%. So that's 74% of all Australian grain growers are using the program to select the best variety for their environment, and we've got the vision to improve that 74% to 90% by 2030. Australian growers should be incredibly proud of the NVT program. It's a world leader, it's unique on the global stage, and it's incredibly important to the continued success of the Australian grains industry.